Hey guys, this is Major Fox. Back to the video, and yep, as you can see, we're back home from the campground. We just spent the night out there just to check on the place, and we had to get back because we had some other stuff going on. So yep, so we're back now, and hey guys, so in the video, I'm gonna be doing some stuff around the house as usual, but before we do that, let's go out in the shed, and I'll show you guys what's going on out there. All right, guys. So here is what I did last night. So I got the shelf all done, and yeah, it looks pretty good. I'm sorry to video this because it was kind of late, and yeah, I don't know. And this door is making so much noise, and it's about to close. It's about to close. Oh boy. Not quite. So guys, so that's what the shelf looks like. Looks pretty good, and I'm already thinking about maybe building on this top shelf, then maybe have it come out this way a little bit, and yeah, kind of getting some more space. But other than that, like it's kind of looking good, minus all this mess I gotta sort out. But I'm getting there. One piece at a time. But so guys, so I'm not gonna really do anything here today. Yeah, I'm kind of just gonna leave all this stuff the way it is as of right now. And yeah, so I'm thinking in this video, I'm gonna do some maintenance on the hot tub, and then I also want to go back at the pond, and I want to clean out that little river, that goes in the pond there. The little, the little river that goes in the pond. So I just want to go over there and then get all that cleaned out, and make that look pretty good again. So, I guess let's go by the tub and let's do a little maintenance. Alright guys, so right now I'm going to put some water in here because the water level is short 2 inches, so I gotta put some more water in it, and then I also gotta I'll have to put some of that metal gone stuff. Like I said, it helps prevent metal and other kind of debris inside the tub. And they say that you gotta let that filter run for 30 minutes or something. So once the water's in here, I'll put that stuff in there and kind of sort of run, and we'll see what happens with it. But grab the hose, fill it up a little bit. I'll be right back. Now we wait. Yeah, so the water needs to be just above that one jet there. Has to be just above that. So That's probably gonna be a while. So I'll be back. Alright guys, so I filled the tub up a little bit, but I didn't want to keep running the water because our well here it's not that deep, and you know we only have a certain amount of water, and you can't let the well dry. That's a bad thing. So I just ran whatever water that I felt comfortable with, and that's just gonna be good for now. So the water level is just below that one jet there. You kind of hear the water splattering on the tub there. So that's gonna have to do it for now. And yep. So now. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put some of this stuff in here. It's called Metalgon, and yeah, so that prevents the iron and other metal buildup from refill from the refill to refill. So I'm gonna dump a little bit in here, and then we'll see what that does. So, and always make sure you have your jets on when you're doing this, because it won't come out good. So. Well, it turns out that I gotta put this inside where it's nice and warm enough for a while to let this thaw out, because right now it is solid in the frozen. So I'm gonna go inside now and thaw this out, and then I'll go dump it in. All right. So while that stuff is thawing out, I'm going to just see if I can dig out this little river. This little river right here, and this is actually the water this is the water that goes in the pond, and yeah, I just want to see if I can so maybe dig it out a little bit, just to kind of get the water going back in the pond a little bit, and kind of clean up a little bit. So that's right, guys. Well, I'm going to use my phone video because the GoPro ran out of battery, so I'm just using my phone, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, here we go. Bye guys. So I got all dug out the best I could. Yeah, so I went from all the way back there, and the water kind of zigzags around here. It comes down through here, and then up in the pond. And now I got a nice little flow of water coming in now, which is good. It's kind of dirty right now, but I'm sure all that water will wash right out and it'll be nice and clear again. So so guys, this looks much better now, and yeah, it's something. So probably the only thing that I'll do in the video is I'll put that stuff in the hot tub tonight, and then that's probably gonna do it. But this is the video. So I'll see you guys a little later. Bye guys. So it's a little later in the day now. It's about 7 o'clock or 7:15. And right now I'm gonna dump this stuff in here. It's called a metal gun. It's all thawed out now, so now I can dump it in now. I'm not gonna dump the whole thing in there because I feel like if I dump this like the entire bottle, and it's probably gonna be too much. So I'm gonna dump like maybe a quarter of the bottle in there, and yeah, so that should be fine. So guys, I'm gonna crack open the cover now. I'm gonna dump that in, and I'm gonna call it a day. So guys, I'm gonna dump this in now. The temperature is at the 103 right now, and yeah, so before you dump this in, you always want to make sure that the jets are turned on. Now you can dump it in. Yeah, I'm only gonna dump a little bit in there. That's all I'm gonna do. So now what I gotta do is to let this to run for 30 minutes, and then I'll come back out, shut it all off, and close it right back up again. So that's what I'll do. So then after that, the toast should be in good shape for a while. So alright guys, well I'm just gonna let this do its thing, and then go from there. Alright guys, so let's get into this video here. I know it's not really much of an exciting one, but I mean, hey, it's something. And so yeah guys, so yeah, so we spent a night at the campground, and everything is just, it's all doing well. And yeah, we came back, and now it's just me and the dogs for this entire weekend, because my parents are away for their anniversary, and they're about 2 hours away from home, and they're at the west part of the estate, and they're gonna stay out there until Sunday afternoon, and then they'll be back. But yeah, so guys, so I'm gonna spend a day with the dogs. Should be fun, and probably not gonna do a whole lot. So this will probably be the end of this video here, and yeah, so guys, so thanks for watching, and like always, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.